Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic's transmission fluid. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always use jack stands to secure your vehicle after lifting it and ensure it's on a flat, stable surface. Gather your new Honda genuine automatic transmission fluid, a drain pan, a 24mm socket or wrench, and a new crush washer. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now let's get to draining the old fluid. Locate the transmission drain plug, typically a large bolt on the bottom of the transmission. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using a 24mm socket or wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be prepared for about 3 to 4 quarts of fluid to come out, so ensure your pan is large enough. Let it drain completely. With the old fluid drained, it's time to refill. Always use a new crush washer on the drain plug to prevent leaks, then tighten it to about 33 foot-pounds. Now, locate the transmission fill hole, usually accessible from the top. Using a funnel, slowly pour in about 3 to 4 quarts of new Honda genuine automatic transmission fluid. Avoid overfilling, as this can cause issues. After refilling, start your engine and let it warm up. Shift through all the gears, pausing for a few seconds in each to circulate the new fluid. Then, with the engine running and warm, check the fluid level using the transmission dipstick. It should be between the upper and lower marks. Finally, double-check for any leaks around the drain plug. Regular fluid changes are key for transmission longevity.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.